Ka Jaintia National Council Central Executive Committee hapo ka jingalam u Presiden rang ba ka JNC ba sambor milang do ha ka neutrik ubanay Risau Ajab San kalaya kendu markmat bad UMP ka Shillong constituency u Dr. Ki AJ Sengkon badlaairu da ka dorkas halor ki artelikimat kawai kadai syapang ki jing syapang uput usam hapdeng ka jela bad ka Asam kawai pat ka jing penmi biang ya ka jingti dawyong barit bat ka jing penpha ya ka yo ka kot.
Today, we from the Jaintia National Council, we have met with our member of the Parliament Lok Sabha, Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon. The issue we have met him is regarding our mission which we launched last year, the Safe Jaintia Mission. And in the Safe Jaintia Mission, we have 5 agenda, and 2 of them is the issue we have to deal with the central government. So today we have met with our MP and we have submitted a memorandum to him regarding the long pending issue of the Jaintia National Council regarding the mining of the coal mining, scientific coal mining. Because what we have seen in this past few years, the government has issued a notification to apply for this prospecting mining, like to apply for this mining license. It is very hard for the small scale mining people, because in this mining we should have 100 hectare of area so that we can apply for coal mining, which is very difficult for the small miner. Because if we look back, before the NGT banned the coal mining, in Jaintia Hills we used to have a small scale mining. So but now it is very difficult for the public, so we have raised the issue with our MP. So our MP has informed us that it is not in his hand, it is both the state government also should move on this issue. But last time also we have met with regarding this SOP of the coal mining. We have met with Chief Minister, we have met with the Secretary of Mining Geology. Verbally they have given an assurance like they have right to the Ministry of Coal India so that they can reduce the hectare. But till date we don't get it in writing, so we'll be follow up this issue with the state government also. And the next issue of the state Safe Jaintia Mission is of this the dispute area between the Assam and the Meghalaya in the Jaintia Hills. And we have requested our MP to talk with the President of India so that all the Penar village who are now in Assam will be transferred back to Jaintia Hill, especially in Block 1 and Block 2. Because if we go back to the history of Jaintia, all these places belong to the Jaintia Kingdom, especially the Ri Khatar Daloy. And one of the Ilika of the Khatar Daloy is that Labang Nong Puluk, which is now in the jurisdiction of this West Karbi Anglong. So we hope in future like our MP will take this matter seriously, and we hope like the government of India will based on the history of the Jaintia Kingdom and will transfer this land back to the Jaintia Hills.
Tahun ni inaliang ke JNC dalai hit iwa MP Teto yao Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon haka yung wasa ni da hijing ito wa ke issue open snya o jing to wa surok NH6 o wa da sa ting da kisnem haka wa da to open dep no yang uni surok o wa da sedang nado nin snem arja arso nado penai match bat je haduk katte uni surok dang manu wa sa ting wa da den wa ka kod da ego ya ka hukum wa to open dep yang uni surok hapo yang benai August hande yo haduk uni benai Oktober le yo dang man go ka wadang sa ting chna yo uni surok man go le ka proses ka slow haduk kata khamtam hakawa ya ka ya uni surok wa to chna da ka Purwanchal Buildtech private limited ka wa to sap uchna go nadu wa ajer haduk juai bypass te yo kat ka maman haduk kata dang man go ka wa sa ting bat kani ke jingman jinglong bo ko ke jing ya ki paj ba khamtam ya ki walai bawan ya ki wa lai khan lang bau ni surok ni ba ka jing pun slow ukre kam yang ni surok pen man go penjur go ya ka jing blok yang kikari pen slam go ya ka lai kawan bat nalor bau ni surok de manu ka ten do wachnai o de khianu bat nalor was khianu sawas slow kar kom kre kam bat ka jing kre kam le mentu kre hini tang henim pudep darak citai darak chabi tiban kichnong bat hadin ka jing dep ya ka jing chna le yunwani wa duk ka tukat ni por uni usrok damano wasi dan nitai daw ini siau to I ulai cham wa Dr. Ricky Sengkon wa manu MP yang I na ka silong constituency nagmataw pensniaw o ya kani bat yo kakam ka jing kerpat le yo pensniaw ya kani hapok ka parliament ni cha union minister for road transport and highways kanang yo pensmat ya kani kakam yo usuk upai ba tele dapat ya ka rekoman long ka we idau ha kani ka Purwanchal Biltek hejing ito wa kom slow ko yang ka yo man ko kajing skiat ni ba hakini kitau nadu wajar ceduk cha Jawai bypass man go kathau ko usaja hadu kata uchna le de compare chaka kathai nadu wajar ceduk rata sara chaki tu kithan man ki ko saja nitai daw yoy kani kar kom le kani ko company khantam ko wan nabar hejing skiat to krek go ya ka kam da ka kom ko wa penkemen ya ki paj ba kom ko we jing suk ya ki paj ba andre wat wan go nabar le man go kam kate ka company wa krek skiat ya ka hok nitai daw isyau to ile man le ya ka jingmut to kam kini ki company to bu no ki blacklist hapo yang ka Ministry of Road Transport and Highways dan hak jingi cham yang wa Dr. Ricky do eu kejingkular ne wa to daulai survey yang ni surok yo pai ya kata kejing sket wa kam nur kom kra kam yang di surok dem ni te yo le ya ka wm kam